welcome to another unboxing video for the Transporter T6 smoked fully LED rear lights for barn door models. This set is pre-wired and plug and play and fits the 2015-2020 models. Let's get them unboxed. So here we have a pack of 2 resistors that connect to this green wire here. All resistors need to stick to metal surfaces as they can get very warm, and the main plug is designed to directly plug into the transporter van. The lights are fully road legal, E-marked and MOT compliant. They are easy to fit and usually fitted within a 10-minute time frame. Let's get them illuminated.